Rajasthan Tourism and Indian Railways have set into place a luxury train that brings together the past and the present. While the nostalgic past is all pervasive through the stately decor of the train, it has at the same time all the modern amenities that live up to royal lifestyles. The train is literally a moving palace. Thus, it has been christened the Palace on Wheels. The Palace on Wheels comprises 14 fully air-conditioned deluxe saloons with world-class facilities to enhance travelling pleasure. A journey by this train could be one of your most memorable experiences. The Palace on Wheels starts its journey at the Safdarjung station at New Delhi, where the guests are given a warm Rajasthani welcome. The journey lasts for 7 nights and 8 days. It covers some of the most exotic places in Rajasthan and Agra, making you feel like a Maharaja all the time. The lavish dinner keeps your spirits high. There are 2 beautiful restaurants, Maharaja and Maharani. The first halt of the train is Jaipur, the Pink City. It was founded by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II in 1727 AD. The guests are taken around the city for sightseeing. The famed Hawa Mahal is an architectural marvel with 5 stories and honeycomb-shaped openings. The mighty Amer Fort leaves a lingering impression in the minds of the guests. Elephant rides add to the joy of the visit. As the elephants ascend the slope, your imperial self comes alive. The construction of the fort was started by Man Singh I and completed by Jai Singh I. A beautiful array of designs fills up the interiors of the fort. The intricacies of the work hold the visitors spellbound. Be pampered like a royal master. Enjoy a lavish lunch at a 5-star hotel. Rajasthani jewelry is irresistible. Shopping could be an enjoyable experience. The City Palace, the home of the erstwhile royal family of Jaipur, holds a lot of charm for the visitors. The ostentatious lifestyles of the rulers could be gauged from the artworks and exhibits of the palace. Interestingly, the royal family still lives in a part of the palace. Interested in traditional Indian astronomy? Well, here you are at the Jantar Mantar. The largest Indian observatory of its time, built by Savai Jai Singh II. Back in the train after a long day, the guests enjoy the royal comforts, food and drinks. A well-stocked bar in the train serves wine, liquor and spirits of Indian and international make.